Winning new customers is getting more expensive and harder with every year. Retention is a smarter way. Repeat buyers spend more and cost less to reach. With Evolvoom, bringing them back is done simple and automatically. That's how easy it is to connect to your Shopify store. It takes 3 clicks from the integration tab and will securely connect to your Shopify store, synchronize your products, customers, and store details, and will put our AI to analyzing purchase behavior. And then that will help us to send automatic messages. All right, after you're done with the sync, don't forget to sync the data over here. Click the button. We're going to sync the data. And it's going to tell you that customers and orders were synced. Here we go. Perfect. And then don't forget in SMS settings to set up your brands. Go through registration over here and complete the purchase with a phone number. Another thing to keep in mind is our onboarding feature, which I find really useful for beginners. So at the top of the page, we're going to go to getting started, and over here you'll see different tabs and different modules that you can go through to complete overall the setup of the application and overall tour, so you can get a deep understanding of how application and the platform work together. I think it's very useful, and I highly recommend completing that. So the next thing we're going to do is to create an AI agent. For the sake of the demo, I already have one created, but let's walk through it. If you go to configure, you can first of all, you click create new agent. You can select the templates that we have created for you over here, or create a custom one. I've created a custom one over here, and I named her Veronica, and the goal is to bring old customers back. The system prompt is you're Veronica from Cool Store, which is the store name I chose for this demo store. You're a sales retention specialist, and your goal is to bring old customers back by analyzing their purchase behavior and offering relative products with appealing promo codes that are available. Next, we're going to go to character. We've got communication tone, casual. I like casual. Then conversational style, adjust empathy level and assertiveness, and then give it a personality description, cool, friendly, and empathetic. Then give it product knowledge, add a product over here, and I also synced the products from your actual Shopify store. Make sure to do that. I can actually run another sync over here. There we go. 3 products that are actually in the store. Make sure to set up enable promotional code mentions. If you don't want that, totally up to you. Also click manual promo code sync. Since I don't have any, we've got the 0. And then recommendations, enable product recommendations, which is super nice. Response settings if you'd like to adjust any, and also training examples if you'd like to add any. Not necessarily needed, but if you'd like to add some, please feel free to do so. Save configuration, and you just set up your first AI agent. Alrighty, let's get to workflows. So we're gonna actually create our first workflow. I'm gonna click this button over here, give it a name. I'm gonna give it a name of retention. And then description, retention workflow. Select the AI assistant. We gotta select the Veronica that we just created, and then select either start from blank or choose one of the templates that I created for you. I like to go with blank, so we're gonna start editing. Over here, we've got a nice screen. We're gonna select a trigger. The trigger can be based on segments, tags, customer registration, time-based, purchase behavior, or engagement levels. Up to you. I like to start with tags. I'm gonna put it at VIP. Perfect. And then we're gonna select the available actions. We're gonna send the SMS, which is already pre-configured. AI generated, Veronica, high personalization level. Save settings and save workflow. Perfect. We're gonna launch it up. And keep in mind that it's totally up to you to be in control of how you want this workflow to go about the automation, right? It's up to you to set up the wait times, how often you want to do follow-ups, etc. Alrighty, and the last but not least, we're gonna test the automation in actual work. So since our workflow is tag-based, we can assign tags whether by bulk actions, which we can do right here at tag, or we can do it granularly by going inside of the customer himself. So over here we can see the customer view, we've got the name, we've got AI insights, we've got active workflows, contact information, recent activity, and purchase history, and also team notes if you'd like to leave any. But over here, we can add a tag. Since our workflow is VIP tag, we're gonna add VIP. Click add, and over here, we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for the message to come through, and we can see that Veronica did send a message. Hi Dmitry, it's Veronica from Cool Store. We've missed you. Check out what's new and come back for a special offer. Reply soon. And so over here, we can actually check our phone right here, and we can see that the message did come through. So perfect. Let me reply real quick. Hey Veronica, excited to hear from you. What do you have in stock? Perfect. Just send the message right here. We can see it popping up in the same second, and we're gonna get the reply right away. We have some awesome new gadgets and trend apparel in stock. What details on anything specific? And we can see that the conversation is realistic, conversational, friendly, and the goal is, in the end of the day, is to bring the customer back and walk them through the steps how to get to the store and make the purchase. Pretty easy to set up, pretty cool to use. Please try it for yourself, run the test, and actually launch it for yourself to bring in the extra growth for your store. Evolvoom is more than automation. It's your own retention engine, always working for you to grow your revenue. Make retention your growth channel, not an afterthought. Thank you for watching.